Today I'm going to be showing you 2 easy dog costumes using Shrinky Dink paper, so let's just get started. I'm going to be using the frosted sheets here because I feel like the paint pens stick the best to that, and then I printed off the TY logo and Scooby-Doo's collar logo, and then we're going to go in with our Posha markers, and I picked up the soft pack as well as a red and a black, just in case. I didn't end up using the black, but it was just nice to have it in case I needed it, and then you just color in where the logo is. So I'm going to start with the white. It did need about 3 coats to do the white, and then I went in with the red. These do shrink quite a bit, but you will see the paint lines with the marker that you make, so try to keep them all in the same direction, or just try to blend them well at the end, either or. But yeah, I'm just going to continue filling them in until I have a very opaque coat, and then I went in on my second design, which is the dog tag for Scooby-Doo, and I used the yellow and the light teal out of the soft pack, and I got these both from Michael's. Definitely get them when they have 40% off because they are super expensive, but they are very good quality and they're easy to use. I kept the line that I cut very tight, but for the TY one I had to leave a little bit of a gap to hole punch because if you don't hole punch there's nothing to attach it to. For the Scooby-Doo one I just put it right onto the paint marker that I already did, but the TY I wanted the whole heart to be visible, so I just left a little bit to add a little cutout for. And then you put them in the oven for about 3 minutes on 325, and then this is optional, but I have a nail gel set, and I thought this would be a little bit less toxic than using resin, so I just put the no wipe clear coat from Daisy, I believe, and then I just put them under my nail lamp, and it actually gave them a nice little clear coat, so I'm hoping that it will save the quality of the paint for longer. And then the last step is to put it on a collar. I just picked mine up from the dollar store, and they didn't have a teal collar that matched the Scooby-Doo charm, so I actually just cut the collar off and grabbed all the hardware off of it for the teal one and sewed a little piece of fabric myself, but the red sparkly one is just how it comes from Dollar Tree. And now all that's left to do is put them on my dogs and they're ready for Halloween. So here is how the Scooby-Doo one turned out in natural lighting. He is super cute even though he doesn't really look like Scooby-Doo. And then here is my little beanie baby with his TY collar. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in next week's DIY.